guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 8, how many solutions. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so thinking about solutions some more. So we're going to look at some cards and then we're going to solve the equations and sort them into categories and then define some characteristics about them. So here are cards. So like I said, we want to take and solve each of these. So we'll distribute the 7. So I'm going to write it up above just so I have plenty of space to solve. 7x minus 7 times 5 is 35 equals x plus 13. Subtract our x. So we end up with 6x minus 35 equals 13. We're going to add the 35 plus 35. So we end up with 6x equals 48. Divide by 6. So x equals 8. So what kind of solution did this have? 1, none, or all? It had 1. So we're going to put a big 1 there. For B, distribute. So negative 5 times x, got negative 6x equals negative 5x plus 5, because negative times a negative is going to give us positive, minus x, combine like terms. Negative 5 minus x is going to give us negative 6x equals negative 6x plus 5. What kind of solution is this going to have? Say no solution. So that's a way to say no solution, or you can write it out. No solution. All right, for C, we're going to distribute on both sides of this. So we'll have a negative 4x plus 8, and then take negative 2 and distribute it. So negative 2x plus 17. Now we want to combine or solve. So add the 2x over, add the 2x over. We end up with negative 2x plus 8 equals 17. Subtract 8, subtract 8. Negative 2x equals 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 divided by negative 2 is going to give us x equals negative 4, negative 4.5. So once again, what kind of solution does it have? It has 1. So you've got 1, none. The next one, simplify this side. 3 plus 5 is 8, so we have negative 4x plus 8. Here we're going to distribute. 2 times 8 is 16, minus 2 times 2 is 4x. So we've got a negative 4x and a negative 4x, 8 and 16. This is another no solution. So hopefully you're kind of seeing a pattern to how these work. The no solutions have both had the same coefficient on our variable, but different constants. The ones with one solution have had different coefficients on our variables and different constants that they've been able to solve out and work down. E, look at this, 2x plus 3 equals 3 plus 2x. Those are identical, right? So this is all or infinitely many. Here we have 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 5. 2x's are going to cancel out. We're going to be left with 3 equals 5, no solution. Our next one, 3x plus 9 equals 2.5x plus 14. Just looking at this, is it going to be all, none, or 1? It's going to be 1 because variables have different coefficients and we have different constants. So this is going to work out to be able to solve. We'd subtract, we'd get 0.5x plus 9 equals 14. Subtract the 9. 0.5x equals 14 minus 9 is 5. Divided by 0.5. So x equals 10. Down here, what do you think is going to happen? This one's a little weird. So our coefficients are different, but our constants are the same. So that means the constants are going to cancel out. So we're left with 5x equals negative 7x. Now you may be saying, well, this isn't true for any. But what it means is there is exactly one solution, x equals 0. That's the only solution there can be for this. All right, h, distribute, we're going to have then x minus 28 equals 4x plus 5. It's going to be a one solutioner. Variables are different, constants are different. If we solve this out, we're going to end up, let's see, subtract 4x, we've got 3x minus 20 equals 5, add the 20. So we have 3x equals 25. Oops, did I do something wrong? Oops, that should be 28. I misread what I wrote. So 28. Sorry, trying to fix that. So we added the 28. So 5 plus 28 is 33. There we go. Divide by 3, x equals 11. And then the last one, lots going on in this one. Distribute the 3. 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 minus 4x equals 2x plus 3. 6x minus 4x is going to give us 2x plus 3 equals 2x plus 3. It's an infinitely many. Our constants and our coefficients on our variables are exactly the same. So hopefully you're noticing when we have the same coefficient on our variable and the same constant, it's going to give us infinitely. It's going to give us all solutions. So solutions is your keyword for this lesson. When we have the same constants, or when we have the same variable coefficient, but different constants, that's when it's the no solution. And any other case, that's when we're going to get the one solution. Okay? If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.